a previous video where I added a 2-layer foam floor to my Pelican bass raider, Doc Slinger wanted to know, how hot does that black get on your feet? How about I give you a real world testing? Thanks for the question. First up is the foam flooring. The first reading on the foam flooring is 189 degrees. To the touch it feels pretty warm, but not hot. And even that only lasts for about a second. After about 5 seconds of holding my hand on the foam, the temperature drops down to 159 degrees. That's a drop of 30 degrees in 5 seconds. Now let's compare that to the beige Ramex boat hull.
Oh, that's hot, 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 hot.
This is what's really surprising. The first reading came in at 168 degrees.
That right there stays hot. You can't hardly keep your hand on that one.
This material only dropped 7 degrees, bringing it down to 162.6. But it felt 7 times hotter than the 189 degree foam pad. The surface temperature stays high and feels hotter to the touch. This is a 2 foot by 2 foot square black and gray carpet tile. The carpet temperature is coming in at 140 degrees. After about 5 seconds, with my hand laying on it, it drops down to 163 degrees. The carpet did feel a little bit warmer than the foam, and it seemed to hold its heat a little longer than the foam did, but nowhere near like the lighter color boat hull. So how exactly does a darker and physically hotter material feel cooler than a lighter color, physically cooler material? Thermal conductivity is how fast heat moves from one surface to another. The 189 degree dark foam feels cooler because of slower heat transfer, because the only heat I'm absorbing is what the very top layer has stored. While the Ramex plastic came in at 169 and only dropped 7 degrees in the same amount of time, it felt much hotter, because its density allows it to replace the surface heat instantly. To put it more plainly, the heat stored below the surface of the foam can't get to your hand, while the denser plastic just keeps on bringing the heat. Now that I got all that cleared up, and then thoroughly confused us all again with all that technical mumbo jumbo, I'm going to take a minute to ask you to like, subscribe, share, and comment, but only if you think I earned it. I've got some good things coming up for you soon. I'll see you out there.